I have such a mess, guys. We got all this rain down in Houston area, and I took that bed out. I'm gonna put it over here with raised bricks, and yeah, look at me. I'm a big mess. My name is Jill. Go by Jay, Texas Gardening Gal. Welcome to my channel. I'm finally have the motivation to just dig into this project. And I was trying to level this out, and I was gonna show you all of the earthworms that were crawling over here, and I went inside and I got sidetracked with other stuff. I'm trying to level this area out so I can put the bricks over here and this other raised bed. So these are the bricks that I have behind my stock tank pond, and I'm going to take 4 of these to use them with the raised garden bed, and then I'm going to get my stock tank a real good clean, and we're going to angle it over here where it's still under a covered patio, and then angle the brick area back here for the fountain. Okay, so I think I got it to where I'm pretty happy with how it looks. It's not fancy, but like I said, on the bottoms where these bricks are, I'm going to take more fence panels and kind of cover up the brick area. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and get some weed barrier fabric. That's what I have under here. And we'll go ahead, get that in, and then get all this cleaned up because, oh my God, it is just a muddy mess. And I need to get boots. Crocs with this is gross right now. Look at all this mess. I pulled everything out. It's like we're starting over. I had to take a tea break. I got my fabric from the garage. We're gonna put down underneath there. Thank goodness it's still cooler. It's like real windy, breezy, kind of muggy out, but feels good outside. We had all those storms and rain, and now this week it's May 5th today. This week it's supposed to be like in the mid to upper 80s, so I really just want to get most of this done before it gets too hot, because it's so fun when it's 100 degrees and you're doing this. Okay, so I have my weed barrier. I doubled that up. I put just a thin layer of straw underneath it, and then I had this triple thing grow bag that was filled up, and it was really actually nice soil yet, so I added that into there. And then I'm trying to use some of this up, and then we'll put some bricks in front to clean that up. Okay, it's mini break time. It's kind of raining a little hard, and I guess it doesn't matter. I could work in the rain, but we're getting there. Looks like I'm probably gonna have to buy a little bit of black mulch. I might just go like the natural color versus the black this time. Got these 2 out here helping me. Daisy's in the house. Well, definitely more rain today here. We didn't need it, but what do you do? I think I'm gonna like this setup way better than what I had before, and then that'll just kind of be my one corner. I'm still gonna get rid of that area over there and just kind of make a walkway and let the grass do its thing, because that over there has been a constant battle, and I'm not battling it anymore, guys. I'm over it. Here's where I've gotten so far. I've just kind of moved the potted plants a little bit. Need to pull some more weeds. I'm going to relocate the olive tree a little further back, or I might put it over here. I have some more soil that I can put in there. Remulch, and I have some more bricks to finish this up. But I'm gonna go in and take a shower. I'm a complete mess, and I think I'm done for the day. It's just raining too much, and Dee's got the zoomies. Dee, come here. He's got the zoomies. Hope you subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon, and I'll show you everything when it's finished. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Bye.